Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is Chapter 2 Addition and Subtraction. You can refer exercise 2.7 to 2.12. Coming to first one, 2,63,520 plus 5,23,152 minus 1,62,730. So here two operations we have to do. So first we have to do the sum. What is the given numbers here? See, 2,63,520 plus 5,23,152. Now add the given numbers. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. Now we add these two numbers. Then after we have to subtract from this 1,62,730. Now 2 minus 0 is 2 only. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. Can you subtract 6 minus 7? No. So what we have to do? We have to regroup it. So from here, this 6 will become 16. This is 5. 16 minus 7 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. What did you get? 6,23,942. So, the answer 6,23,942. Which is the correct option? Option 1. Required option is 1. Next one. Subtract the following and choose the correct option. Already arranged in column wise. Now, what are the given numbers? 9,28,562 minus 52,349. Now, subtract from ones place. 2 minus 9 we cannot. From here, we have to regroup it. This 2 will become 12. 6 will become 5. 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 5 we cannot. Again we have to regroup it. So from here, this 2 will become 12. 9 will become 8. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8. Now what is the answer? 8,76,213. So which is the correct option? Option 1. Required option is 1. Next one. The estimated value of 86,262 minus 62,562 to the nearest thousands is. So, first what we have to do? We have to rounding to the given numbers to the nearest thousands. So, what is the given number? First number 86,262. So, while rounding to the nearest thousands, we have to look after hundreds place. What is the hundreds place here? 2. 2 is below 5. Means below thousands we have to round in. So that means this number in between 86,000 and 87,000. So below thousands means we have to take 86,000 minus. Now this number, what is the number? 62,562. So we have to look after hundreds place. What is the hundreds place? 5. 5 is midway number. We have to round in next thousands. That means that number in between 62,000 and 63,000. We have to take 63,000. Now subtract 86,000 minus 63,000. Okay. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. We get 23,000. So what is the estimated difference? 23,000. Which is the correct option? Option 2. Next one. When we subtract dash from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. So what is the meaning of predecessor? Just before number. When did you get just before number? If you subtract 1 from given number. Suppose take 6. If you subtract 1, what did you get? What is the before number of the 6? 5. So 5 is the predecessor of 6. So the required option is 4. When we are subtracting 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. Next one, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is, so take 3000. So subtract again 3000 means itself. What did you get? 0 is the answer. So always we get the 0. So which is the correct option? Option 2. Next, 78,921 minus 1000. So just thousands. Remaining places will be same. Just we have to subtract 8 minus 1. Okay, what did you get? 77,921. Because 1 minus 0 is 1 only. 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. Here 8 minus 1, 7. And here we have 10,000 place only 7. So we'll get 7 only. So the answer is 77,921. So which is the correct option? 77,921. Option 1. Which number is 34,030 less than 36,541? So which number is means here less than. So which is the greater here? 36,541. So this number is smaller than that number. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract 36,541 minus 34,030. So can we subtract 1 minus 3? No. So what we have to do? We have to regroup it. So from here, so 1 take plus 1, it will be 11. This 4 will be 3. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we get 2,528. 2,528. Which is the correct option, children, here? Option 4. Required option is 4. Next one. What will be the difference if the sum of 61,287 and 12,381 is subtracted from 2,23,538? So what we have to do here? What will be the difference if the sum of? So first we have to add these two numbers. Then we have to subtract this sum from this number, means 2,23,538. So what are the given two numbers here? See, 61,287 and 12,381. Now add the numbers. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 here, 1 regroup it. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. We get 73,668. So already we add that numbers. What we have to do here? We have to subtract from 2,23,538. So now subtract 73,668. Now 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 6 we cannot. So we have to regroup it. 3 will become 13. This 5 will become 4. 13 minus 6 is 7. 4 minus 7 can be? No. Again we have to regroup it. 4 will become 14. This 3 will become 2. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 2 minus 3 we cannot. We have to regroup it from here. So 2 will become 12. This 2 will become 1. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now 1 minus 7 we cannot. We have to regroup it. 1 will become 11. This 2 will become 1. 11 minus 7 is 4. And here we have only 1. So we get 1,49,870. What is the number? 1,49,870. Which is the required option here? Option 3. 1,49,870. Next one. 5,78,521 minus dash equal to 5,78,421. So here we have only in one place digit number is difference. So which place is that? Here see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So here see all the other places are different except here. See 5. Here 4. So 4 is the predecessor of this number. So how much we subtracted from 5,78,521? So we get 5,78,421. That is nothing but 100. If you subtract 100, we'll get 5,78,421. So the required option is 2. Next one. On Monday, 1,58,379 bags of wheat were supplied to the grocery shops. On Tuesday, 94,479 bags were supplied. On which day more bags were supplied and by how much? See here, you can observe here, on Monday is how many bags were supplied? 1,58,379. So it is a 6-digit number. Coming to on Tuesday, here 94,479. So 5-digit number. So this will be the greater than that number. So now we have to subtract this from this number. We will get the difference. That is 1,58,379 minus 94,479. Now subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 4 we cannot. We have to regroup it. 3 will become 13. 8 will become 7. 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 9 we cannot. So we have to regroup it. So this 5 will become 15. 1 will become 0. 15 minus 9 is 6. We get 63,900. So on which day? Means on Monday. On Monday, 63,900 bags were supplied more. So which is the correct option? Monday, 63,900 bags. So the correct option is 1. Got it, children? Once again practice. Thank you.